Hi everyone, my name is Mark Sarno and I'm the President CEO of Sarno & Son, Tuxedo by Sarno's, and welcome to the Tuxedo by Sarno warehouse tour. Well, this is the mezzanine of our warehouse where we're looking at the production floor, and down below you can see our assembly line where we put the tuxes together, make sure we get the right color ties, the right color coat. Everything is pressed beautifully, everything is clean, and all the alterations are done, and everything is in really, really good shape. So right now we are in our pants department, and this is where the beginning of our process is. We have all these order forms that print out of our printers from our computers. Our operators here take a look at it, find the proper style and size, and add the ticket to the order. Computer here is checking, backing up the operator and making sure the right style is there, the right sizes are there. Another check to make sure everything is perfect. We're in the laundry section now where we wash all of our shirts, and we have all these industrial washing machines that are programmed specifically to our specifications with temperature, the right amount of extraction speed, the right amount of chemical going into each laundry and each bath so that they come out crisp and clean and beautiful every time. If you look down here, you'll see our shirt pressing department, pressing every collar, every cuff, dressing the shirt, making sure it's perfect. Watch this now. See how the shirt goes in there? Now it fills with air. We have pressing plates that dry the shirt. Sorry about that. We're going to take a look at our pressing department now, and the first place we're going to stop is the pants department. Come on. In this area, we have trained operators who take our pants out of the dry cleaning equipment, add steam and press the pants so that they look nice, crisp, sharp, and brand new. Adds a fresh, crisp crease, makes them look beautiful. So now we're going to go into our coat storage department. Let's take a look. In this area, we hang all of our coats. We support over 65 different styles of jackets, and we offer them in sizes from 3 boys to 70 long. So here's one of our most popular. This is our navy blue suit, the collar. This is another step in the process where they grab the coat. They will check the press first to make sure everything is right, inspect the buttons. They'll look at the inside, make sure that everything is just right, check the sizes, get it ready to go on out. So once they do that, they'll send it down the line. So in this department, we do all the final alterations to make sure that it fits you perfectly, the sleeves are just the right length. Folks, this is Mina. She's in charge of our alterations department, and she is our head tailor. She does a great job. Mina, why don't you tell us what's going on here and show us how that would start. She's going to measure the sleeve to see what it is. She's marking it. Great. Now she's going to run it over to the sewing machine. Folks, look at the skill and the accuracy on this operation that Mina is doing. She's checking each seam, each stitch to make sure that it didn't catch in a wrong spot so that when it gets pressed out, it'll look perfect, making sure it looks nice and crisp on the day you wear it. That's excellent job. Thank you so much, Mina. So I want to introduce you to Kathy Skiris. She's our daytime plant supervisor, and she does all the hard work of making sure every order is taken care of. Kath, can you tell us how many different ties do you think we have?
Oh, we have close to 900 ties.
Different styles and different color combinations in number order.
Correct, and alphabetical order. Make sure it's clean. Check our straps. Hook it to make sure our hook is working, and we would hang this on the order.
Well, great job. Thanks, Kathy.
Thank you.
That's excellent. This is Bianca.
Hi.
And today she's doing our bagging station. So she takes our finished completed product, checking the suit over one more time, giving it a visual look to make sure everything is just right. All the parts are there. She's measuring the sleeves to make sure they're perfect. puts the shoes in the bag, zippers it all up, and sends it off to you. So everybody, this is Nick. Nick is in charge of our shipping department, and he does an excellent job making sure all of our tuxes and suits get to where they belong on time and in great condition. So you pick it off the rack, you look at it, and you check the route number and the stop number, right? Then you move over to find the right area where it belongs. And so this is stop 5 on route LIS. After you get everything separated and everything is in its place and you're ready to go, you start working on getting these orders to ship.
We scan the item.
Right? So that you mark it off the list and you mark that one off the list. And there we go. We got a full order going to our friends at Dante Zeller Tuxedo by Sarno in Staten Island, New York. So now you've seen all of the little details that we use to get your tux ready so it looks perfect and it feels good on you and you can be proud to wear it. And so now let's take a quick look at how it looks in our store. Hi, Alyssa. So here we are in our store, and we have Alyssa and Maria with us, who are our manager and assistant manager here at the store in Scranton. What's the fastest that you've ever taken care of a full wedding party? How many days do you need to do a whole wedding?
I've done one within the same day.
You've done a whole wedding in the same day.
Yeah, it was
wow.
7 guys, and we did it.
Wow, that is amazing.
Yeah.
So we got everybody, shoes, shirt, pants,
Everything. Even the belts they bought.
belts,
actually last year,
everything.
so,
We
yeah.
took care of everybody in one day. How about that? Thanks everyone. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch our little video about how we take care of our suits and tuxedos and make them perfect for you. Thanks.